are talking about a FRAND. What is the long form of FRAND? FRAND is fair, reasonable. So, FRAND, fair, reasonable and non-discriminatory. Okay, so A stands for and ND for non-discriminatory. So, what exactly? It should be fair. So, whenever what happens that suppose I am a owner and some X person to whom that particular patent is required, or that X entity that particular patent is required. So, I should not abuse the power, I should not abuse my right because I am having SCP, and what I should do? I should license that particular technology to X entity or Y entity. How? Fair, you understand the word fair, reasonable. So, cost, that royalty should be reasonable. Okay, so it should be fair, it should be reasonable and it should be non-discriminatory. So, I should not do that for X I will charge some $2 and for Y I will charge something $7. I cannot do that particular thing. So, it should be I should not discriminate between the entities to whom I am giving that particular license.